What's up, guys? Viper FPV here, and today is the September FPVCRATE box of 2020. So if you don't already know what FPVCRATE is pretty much a 5-inch subscription box. They pretty much promise like a one big item, like an ESC, flight controller, or something to pretty much build a quad with, and then also some extra like tools or like a T-shirt or all types of different things. So it's like a little surprise every month. So there is some value to the box. They try to give you some good value, but also there is some good value in just getting surprised. It's like a little Christmas present every month, kind of. So let's go ahead and unbox this month's box and see exactly what we got. All right, so we got a little thank you. It's like we got $10 off a Stark frame. Use Stark 10. October 31st is when it expires, so if you want to pick one of these up, go ahead and use my code, I guess. And then also we got the Lumineer. Looks like some stickers, battery voltage, kind of reminiscent, I think, of the sub 250 boxes. They have one of these for 3-inch quads or smaller, and some bubble wrap. All right, looks like we got some floppy proppy F5135 props. You gotta put them all together. I actually have not tried the floppy proppies props from Gem Fan yet, so those are those. Looks like we also got an F7 T-motor flight controller. Nice. Let me zoom in so you guys can see that a little better. That's definitely nice. I like it. Definitely would be useful in a build. Thinking actually to build all the stuff I gotten from an FPVCRATE in maybe a future video. I have to see if I have everything yet to build one yet, so I'll have to look back in the prior boxes and see. Looks like we also got ourselves a little USB cable. Let me zoom back out. Just to connect our flight controllers up. Oh, it's actually a USB-C cable. It's even better. A lot of people don't even have these, so that'll probably be helpful. And then we also got a shirt for the month. Let's take a look. Usually the shirt's FPV themed. Finally. Alright, so it's a Lumineer. Little logo there. It says Lumineer there. Cool. I like it. I like the color. It's nice dark blue. But that's pretty much the box for the FPVCRATE for September 2020. If you are interested in becoming a subscriber, I will leave a subscription link down below. It does help. It is an affiliate link, so it does help support the channel. But this is Viper FPV, and let me know down in the comment section down below what you thought of this month's box. Did you like it? You're going to be picking one up, or are you a subscriber? Let me know. So I'll see you guys in a future video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a like. Thank you. Peace.